Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to cash out or withdraw your earnings from Z-League. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So step number one is to go to your account settings, log into your Z-League account, and navigate to the account settings from the profile menu. At the top of the page, you'll see your account balance. Click the cash out button to start the withdrawal process. You will need to verify your identification through a third-party provider, Persona. So this requires submitting a valid government-issued ID that matches the name on your account. It may take a few weeks for this verification to be processed. Now take note that Z-League charges $2 processing fee for cash outs. If you're using PayPal, additional PayPal fees may apply based on your location. And once your ID is verified and fees are paid, the funds should be transferred to your account. Although there have been reports of delay and issues with payments, so be sure to keep an eye on your account status. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn money from Z-League account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, bye!